Hi guys, this is Dinil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. So how are you all? So if anybody is watching this video first time, guys, please do subscribe so you can watch all my videos without missing. So I'm very happy guys because it's been almost 100 days, almost 3 months. So without gap I'm traveling. So I finished Karnataka and Kerala trip. So I just want to share my personal experience guys. Before that I'll show you my bike. So right now I'm in Tamil Nadu. You can see such a nice view. So I'm traveling almost from 3 months, I mean 100 days without gap, without taking rest, alone. So most of the people they used to ask me few questions and all. So whatever people mostly they are asking questions, I will tell you guys about my bike and my personal experience, my expenses, everything I'll cover in this video. So the first thing, I have done almost 100 videos I think. Every day one video guys. As I said before, I'm traveling each and every state, each and every district in everywhere. I mean all over India. So now I mean yesterday only I finished my Kerala trip. Just now I came to Tamil Nadu. After this I'll go to Andhra and Telangana. So the main questions people they're asking mileage guys, bike mileage. So it's almost in highways I'm getting 30 to 35 guys, and when it comes to these kind of guard sections and all 25 to 30 I'm getting. So the second one is like power. Trust me guys, this is enough. People who want to ride, like single person, this is enough for me. Like all this is my personal experience. I'm not giving any review and all. It's my personal experience. So so this is fine for me, like when it comes to power and all, and comfort wise also this is good guys. Bajaj Dominar 250, I'm talking about Dominar 250. But the thing is, when you are going continuously without taking rest, like 250 kilometers, 300 kilometers, you have to take some gap, otherwise definitely you'll get bump pain. So the next one is engine. Trust me guys, I didn't even feel any vibrations also. Maybe when I'm crossing 130 and all, so I'll get that little bit vibrations. So there is no vibrations. And when it comes to high speed, I made a video also. I'll show you that video. 130 I'm getting in proper road. And next, my expenses. Most of the people they're asking my expenses. It depends guys, but per day minimum I'll put one full tank that cost almost 1000 rupees. So every day 1000 rupees petrol I'll spend, because I'll travel minimum 200 to 250 kilometers per day everywhere. And hotel expense and all, it depends on the hotels. Sometimes I'll stay in my camping, so I don't spend for hotels. But when I'm staying in some good resorts, or like island places and all, that will be next level expensive. So in that time I'll spend more. So I spent almost 1 lakh rupees for only Kerala trip. The reason, I stayed almost 3 days in one island, poor island. There I spent lot of money. So I spent almost 1 lakh for this trip. Before and all, in Karnataka trip also I spent almost 1.2 lakh. Because that is my first trip. I don't know how to spend money and all. So I spent lot of money without knowing only. So next, when it comes to my personal experience, trust me guys, Kerala is such a beautiful place. I really enjoyed a lot every moment. Seriously, but the thing is, most of the places are covered because of Corona. So few places I didn't visit, but definitely next time I'll visit those places. And this is my luggage, guys. I'll carry 2 bags and 1 box. And the thing is, when it comes to accessories, so many people they used to ask me accessories. So mostly accessories, I'll carry my Hero 7 Black, and my tripods. I have total 7 tripods because I'm traveling alone. So whenever if I want some photos and all, I'll use all my tripods, or else I'll ask someone help when I'm going some tourist places and all. If I ask someone, they will make a video for me. So I'll do like that. And this bike, next. So many things I forgot. Yeah. So after this Tamil Nadu trip, so I'm going to visit Andhra and Telangana. from Andhra and Telangana. If anybody want to meet me, if anybody want to come with ride with me, you can come, guys. You can watch my videos. I'll tell you the location before coming to that place. So please come and join with me, because even I need some company, good company. So even I'm waiting for someone like who can enjoy like me. And the main thing, guys, about this bike, trust me, this is really damn good. Most of the people daily they used to send me messages, you can take Dominar 400, no Dominar 400, no, why you are going for Dominar 250 for like these kind of continuously 365 days I travel. So I don't have any job, I don't have everything, I left. So every day I will go for traveling, and every day I'll make one video. If you see my YouTube videos, every day there is a one video, new video will be there. So they used to ask me why only 250. Trust me, guys, when I'm planning to buy this bike, I don't have that much budget. The main thing is budget problem. So in Bangalore, almost 60,000 difference is there. The second thing is mileage. Compare with the Dominar 400, 250, I'm getting mileage. These two are the main reasons why I'm going for Dominar. Trust me, Dominar 250 also good. Dominar 400 such a nice bike. It's already proved. So many people, so many like trips they done. But still, Dominar 250 also such a nice bike, guys. I am the best example, because always if anybody want to planning to buy 250, just watch my videos. You can see how I am riding all over India without taking rest. I covered almost now 7,800 kilometers in 100 days. So guys, if your budget is a little bit less, go for Dominar 250. If you want good mileage, go for Dominar 250. Trust me, Dominar 250 also such a nice bike. When it comes to minus points, trust me, I can feel only one, that is tire. Yes, the only I felt everything is fine except tires, guys. So even day after tomorrow I'll change my bike tires. So because that is the only thing, because when I'm going some wet wet roads, sometimes it will skid when I'm using the brakes and all. So that is the only minus point I felt, except that everything is perfect, guys. And I bought this bike from Bangalore, and so many people they used to ask me what about accessories and all. I bought each and everything from the showroom only. So if anybody want to buy, you can buy directly from showroom in Bangalore. So if you have any doubt regarding bike or any experience, just please, guys, do comment. I will reply always. And the main important thing is I need your support, guys. It's been almost from 100 days. I didn't even sleep properly. I'm enjoying, I'm making videos. I'm continuously every day one video I'm making. But still I need support, because recently, just 3 months back, I started my YouTube channel. So please do subscribe and share it and like it and watch my videos, guys, because I'll be very happy if you comment below always, like some anything. So if you have any doubt also, please, guys, please do comment. So thank you so much, guys. If you have any doubt regarding Dominar 250 or my personal expenses or whatever it is about touring and all, so please do comment below. And please follow me in Instagram. If I'm unable to give reply, please do follow me in Instagram, Dinil Rahul Official. So thank you so much, guys. Just now I came to Tamil Nadu, so I'll finish Tamil Nadu trip within 30 days. Then I'll go to Andhra, then Telangana, then North. Sorry, Goa, then North. So I don't even take gap, guys, in middle. So bye bye, guys. Thank you so much. I'll show you this view, because I really loved a lot this view. That's why I stopped here, and you can see it's such a deep. You can see there is one waterfalls also is there. I think you can't see in GoPro. It's a very thick forest. I mean, Ghat road, such a nice Ghat road, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Take care.